Hey everyone, so today I'm unboxing a new product from Xiaomi. That is a Xiaomi umbrella. Let's open it. So it cost me 99 RMB, near about $15. So let's see. This is all in Chinese. Here's automatic umbrella, the description, size, and 100% polyester. This is ultraviolet proof, nano fabric, enhanced shaft and rib, automatic and safe. So now let's open the box. So let's see what's inside this box. Nothing, only umbrella. So this blocks ultraviolet rays. So this fabric absorbs and dramatically reduce ultraviolet rays, protect your skin from these damaging ultraviolet rays, keep you more comfortable and cooler because of its unique standing quality. So this is me and Mija sign. So this is the instruction how to open it. Unbuckle the umbrella, press the button on the handle to open the umbrella, press the button on the handle again to close the umbrella, react the shaft until you hear it click into place and clinch the canopy. This umbrella will not rebound in the halfway of closing. You must hear a clatter to close it. So the umbrella size is 336 mm by 59 mm by 59 mm. This is UPF 50 plus, and fabric is 100% polyester fabric. The weight is 420 grams. Rib material quality is aluminium plus glass fiber, one key automatic opening and closing, and rebound system to keep you safe. So this is Mi home sign, media sign. So design is really good. The fabric also look good. So let's open it. Easily open, and it's a full size umbrella, easily used by some 2 adults or 3 adults. And we can close it with this button. Yeah, so this is an automatic umbrella, that's why they said. So this is a new product from Xiaomi. The fabric is good. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.